from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a Kia Soul here on a 2011 plate. Just doing a position lamp on this. You can see that one there is not working and this one here is working. I'm just going to show you how to replace it, and if this is something you've got and you want to replace the bulb, it is quite an easy one to do. Now the bulb that you need, it is a 501 bulb, which will be available in the description, the information for it as well, and where to get it from. To do it, it is simple. Right on the inside there, see that top one there, that's for the position lamp, and then everything else from here as well you can get to, which is for the main dip beam and, you know, for the full beam and stuff, so you can do that, and the indicator. So if I twist that to my left, here we go, and then pull the whole thing out. Now just remember the orange seal. Now if the orange seal is damaged for any reason, just make sure you replace it with something else, with another seal or something, you know, otherwise the water will go inside and then you'll have problems. And I'm just going to remove this right now that I've got a spare hand. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you now. If I just take this bulb out, now this bulb is quite tight, so be careful when you're removing it. You don't want it breaking in your fingers, otherwise glass would go in your fingers, which is not good. Now you slot it back in. That's it. Like I said to you, it is a 501 bulb. Now to put it back together as well, it is quite a simple procedure. So if you slot it in all the way, locate the bulb holder hole, and then that's in there. Now as you can see, the seal's in as well. Twist that to my right. Now we're just going to check, see, make sure the lights are working. Right, here we go. That one there is brilliant, and that one there is brilliant as well. Rightio, that's all done. That's all you have to do on this particular model. There is a playlist for Kia. Do check it out, and if there is anything else you need to know, do leave us a message, and then we'll drop us a comment below, and then we'll try helping you as much as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.